edition. Cause honey, I'm a collectible edition. 1, 2, haters gonna hate. Don't be bitter, you can't relate. 3, 4, powder on bake. Oh my god, you wanna taste? Step aside, I'm coming through. I am the queen, but you already knew. I'm glamorous, you can't compare. Let me twirl my hair. Glam, 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 glam. I got the glam. What's that pose? Now stretch. I got the glam. She better work. There.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to talk to you guys today about the new MAC Patrick Starr summer collaboration. So if you didn't guess it from the thumbnail and the little clip that I put in the beginning of this video, today's video is all about the new collaboration that Patrick Starr came out with MAC. This is his third collaboration with MAC. Yes, girl. His third, not his first, not his second, but his third collaboration. And let me tell you, if you didn't see it from the video, it is definitely worth it. So basically what today's video is going to show you, I'm going to show off the products that I got. I'm going to give you my honest opinion about it. And yes, it is on my face right now. If you guys want to check, you know. I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling my look a little bit. But before I get started, if you don't know me, if you're new to my channel, hey girl, how you doing? My name is Diana, and I'm obsessed with makeup, and I'm obsessed with Patrick Starr. Literally, like half of my videos on YouTube have been about his collaborations. Plus, I actually got the opportunity to meet him. So if you want to see that vlog that I did, it's going to be in my description box. So before we get started, you know what to do. If you haven't done it already, I don't know why you keep coming back, girl. Just, it's very simple. It's very, like, you know, easy to do. I need you guys to click that subscribe button that pops up right. I know it's down here somewhere. Just click that subscribe button, click that like button, and make sure you hit that little bell. That little notification bell is gonna let you know every time I upload. So basically, you know, you can come back. Like, so we can, you know, we can do this more often. You know, you'll see more of my videos. We'll chat a little bit. So let's move on. Let's get this started, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like, you just scroll down and like you write a little something like, you know, hey girl, how you doing? I really like your video. Something along those lines. Even if you don't like my video, just say hey, like say hello. Okay. So for the summer collection, Patrick Starr and MAC came out with another face kit. He came out with his first face kit in his spring line. So this face kit is $49.50 US, and it comes with 2 lip glosses, a bronzing powder, and an eyeshadow quad, which is amazing for the price, especially because it's MAC. And let me tell you, if you're wondering, if you're curious if these products are actually like MAC quality, girl, they are. They really. The next thing that Patrick released for the summer is called the Hot and Heavy Opalescent Face Powder. So this face powder is basically like a highlighter. I don't know if you see it, girl. Do you see it? So this is basically a face powder, but it's like a highlighter. So it gives you like that natural summer glow. And I'm going to be showing you guys all of the products. I'm going to be swatching it for you. And you know, that little clip that I put in the beginning of the video is me using the products and how it came out on my face. This is the look. This is what I did. And honestly, so far, I have to say that let's talk about my face real quick. The eyeshadows work really beautifully on my face. I really do like the bronzing powder. I usually don't use bronzer, but I'm gonna start because I like the way that this came out. Okay, so the first thing that you get in your face kit is this beautiful face card. It has a little message behind it. It says, heat stroke makes the beach stroke. Show me how you get your best summer glow. XOXO Patrick Starr. So I think that that's always really cute. He always has a cute little message. And this face card is a look that you can recreate with the products. Next thing that I pulled out of my face kit was actually the lip glosses. So there are 2 lip glosses that come with this line. The first lip gloss is like a really like nude. It's the one that I have on my lips right now. It's called Fashion Punch. So that's what this looks like. Do you like it? I like it. But you don't need lip liner or anything. It comes off really nice. It's not like super crazy sticky if you don't like sticky lip glosses. I like it. It's matte quality. I have a bunch of MAC lip glosses and this is MAC. The next color that they came out with is this cream pie lip gloss. So I'm going to swatch this one. So that's cream pie. And then the one that I actually have on my lips right now is called Fashion Punch. So I'll swatch it even though it's on my lips, but I'm gonna swatch it for you so you guys can see what that looks like. So that is Fashion Punch and Cream Pie. You can see the consistency and how beautiful the glosses are. And the next item that I took out of the package, out of the face kit, is this bronzer right here. This is the Give Me Life bronzing powder. It's beautiful. So this is what it looks like. The only thing I would have to say about this bronzer is that it's obviously not for every skin tone. It's not for every shade. I have the bronzer on right now. It would have been nice if he would have came out with like a different tone, like a darker, deeper bronzer kit, because not everybody can purchase this. Like if he came out with two kits, like I would have suggested to come out with two face kits. If they're gonna have a bronzer, make one color for like universal and then another deeper, darker color, or even a lighter tone bronzer, because not everybody can use this. Next item that came in the kit is the Heat Stroke Eyeshadow Quad. So it comes with 4 eyeshadows. These are the eyeshadows right here, and it comes with 4 shades. This shade right here is called Brash. The shade next to it is called Sandy Crotch. The shade underneath here is called Rudy. And then the shade right next to it is called Mabuhay. So those are the 4 shades that come with the kit. I'm going to swatch them for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is Sandy Crotch. This one is Brash right next to it. Let's see if I can get it right next to it. So this beautiful metallic is Brash. And right next to Brash, I'm going to swatch Rudy. Which is another beautiful red metallic. So then the last color that I'm going to swatch is Mabuhay, which is this deep dark brown. So those are the 4 shades that come with the quad, and I used all 4 of them on my eyes so you guys can check it out. They blend very nicely. They're very creamy colors, and the metallics are very bold. Like as you can tell, like they pop. So I really do like that about the line so far. So basically you would get all 4 of these items, this bundle right here in the face kit, and it's only $49.50, which is insane because usually this would cost you $95. It's a great deal and great quality. Next item that came in the Patrick Starr summer collaboration with MAC is this right here. This is a hot and heavy face powder. It's an opalescent face powder. This is what it looks like when you open it. It comes with the mirror, which is very cute, and this highlighter is adorable, like literally adorable. So I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see. This is what it looks like on my finger. Now it's the highlighter that I have on. So I'm gonna add a little bit more, and you can layer this right here. You can put it on with a brush or your finger, and it gives you such a natural glow. Like I really do love the way that this powder works. This powder right here is $34, which is a little pricey. But if you compare it to any other highlighter, like I got the Emerezi highlighter, it's around that kind of range. Okay guys, so I have to say that I give this collection 2 thumbs up. I love it. I think that it's affordable. I think that it's beautiful. I think that it's gorgeous. It's glamorous. It's totally Diva Feva, and it's everything that any girl or guy would want in their makeup collection. So if you haven't checked it out yet, I'm going to be putting the link for the MAC website below if you want to order it. But overall, I honestly think that the only thing that I can say is that I wish it would have came out with 2 kits kits instead of just one. I know his spring line had 2 kits, and maybe like if he did a second kit, the second kit would have like a deeper, darker bronzer, because this bronzer that this kit came with isn't gonna work for everybody. But besides that, honestly, it's everything. Like, I love it. I have to say that I personally like this collection more than the other 2 collections he came out with. Don't kill me if you don't agree with me. It's just my honest opinion. I like the way that it looks on my skin. I like the glow that it gives me. I love the bronzer. So basically what I want to hear from you guys is if you have tried Patrick and Mac's collection in the past. It doesn't only have to be his summer collection. Let me know what you guys like. What's your favorite product and why? Like, I really want to hear feedback, because honestly and personally, I love the summer collection the best. But you know, you don't have to agree with me. I just wanna know, because you know. And if you want to see more videos like this reviewing new products, or if you have any suggestions for me, drop them down below. Leave that comment, girl, right down there. You know, like just drop it. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell. You see it, girl. You see it. Hit that little bell. That's going to notify you every time that I upload a video. And thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you really liked it. Literally, I hoped you liked it. Click it. Click that button, girl. Click it. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, did you subscribe, girl? Don't leave. Don't leave until you subscribe, because we don't do that here. We subscribe, okay? Okay. All right, bye guys. Talk to you soon.